Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to share the internet using this mobile hotspot. Simply go to settings, tap on the option connections. Here you can see the option mobile hotspot and tethering. Tap on this one. First of all, turn on this one. Tap on OK. Now tap on this one. So here you can see the name and password you can see here. You can edit the name and the password also. If you enable the mobile hotspot on your phone, then your device will be a portable Wi-Fi router in seconds. This is useful during travel or internet outages. So simply in this way, we can share the internet using mobile hotspot on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.